Hey guys, it's Michaela at Cold Creek Nurseries in Aiken, South Carolina, and I am standing here in a sea of color. This color happens to be a sea of perennials as well. And remember, perennials are the plants that come back season after season for you. And some of my favorite heat-loving perennials is this hibiscus. This is the Summerific Hibiscus. Beautiful dinner plate size flower. It's a great pollinator. The hibiscus actually in spring are the last ones to come back, so you have to be patient with these as spring comes around. This one is Spinderella, and this other on this dark foliage with this really dark red flower is Holy Grail. Great heat loving perennials, deer resistant to add to your ground. They like moist soil and full sun to part sun. Another one of my favorites is called Hummingbird Mint, but it's Agastache, and if you smell this plant, it does smell like mint. On strong stems, this is Royal Raspberry, a great pollinator, a great perennial, and it too loves the heat. The last one we're going to beat the heat with today is a proven winner's coneflower echinacea plant called the Fuchia is bright. And then it's a great perennial. It loves full sun. It's a good one to beat the heat with. Plant it in moist soil. Leave your heads, your spent flowers in the fall, and the birds come in and eat out those seeds. But a great one. Again, 3 great perennials to beat the heat.